This hardcore crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin is doing very well. You could see that Bitcoin is holding within this area of support right here. It hasn't gone below that, and apart from that, the CMA gap has been filled, which is at $117,000. Okay, so sorry about that. So yeah, the CME gap has been filled. So I think right now what we should be expecting from Bitcoin is the regular move. Sorry about that. And by regular move, I'm saying like the consolidation will definitely be getting within this range right here. Consolidation will definitely be getting within this range. You could see we'll have to continue consolidating within this range until we get a breakout above 120,300, find support, and then rally much higher, because the breakout we got the other time, which led to us getting to a new all-time high, was actually a fake out, as you can see right here. And also looking at it from this angle, we could also realize that, or we could also see that we broke out of this trend line right here, and after we broke out, we found support around this range, and you could see us about to take off from here. So hopefully this will be the case. Yes, hopefully this will be the case. And also moving forward, we could see that we should also expect worst case scenario. Trump and Putin met yesterday. Trust me, the meeting was very awkward, but I was watching it, but there was no audio at first. Then all of a sudden they were showing us random people just walking about in the hall, or should I say in in the stage or whatever, but there was nothing going on. We weren't seeing Trump. I wasn't seeing Putin. They never sat down together to talk for a very long time, for like up to close to an hour. So I just rogged the stream. I rogged the stream. So that was it for that. I didn't know the outcome, but I think after this I'll pause this video and I'll go check for a little bit of update, because based on what it was yesterday, no updates, no news, nothing was going on. So worst case scenario right now is if we happen to break below 116,800 and we retest this level, then we'll start thinking about a pullback all the way down to 113,400 range. So for me, this is definitely what we should be expecting if the market happens to go south. Yeah. So now looking at our other chart right here on Bitcoin, you could see that there's based on this trend line right here, we could say that there's a possibility for Bitcoin to still dump. Like I said yesterday, there's a possibility that we could still dump all the way down to 116,300 before we get a move to the upside. Who knows? So I think there's a possibility for us to still pull back a little, which is fine, especially given the fact that this is the weekend, and the weekend is always slow and boring. So yeah, due to the fact that there is low volume, so who knows, anything can happen. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, I'll be heading onto X to find some news to keep you guys updated on. Yep. So guys, just a quick one. As you can see, I've created my official Twitter page. You could see Hardcore Crypto. The handle is HCore Crypto. Link will be in the description if you want to follow. So this is it right now currently, so you should go over there and follow if you care to do so, because I might be sharing some little signals there. I guess once in a while I'll share some signals, but the Telegram signals group is open. The Telegram signal group is open. If you are interested, DM me on Telegram or send me a mail and I will definitely add you there. But do not forget that it is not free. It is a premium group for Signal. So yeah, that is it for this. So based on the news that we have here, Trump said in call. I think a fast peace deal is better than a ceasefire. Axios reporter on X, Trump told Zelensky and NATO leaders that Putin doesn't want a ceasefire and prefers a comprehensive agreement to end the war. Okay, Trump, because of what happened today, I don't think I have to think of possible increase in tariffs on China. Okay, Trump, Putin, and Zelensky edged towards talk on Ukraine peace deal. Trump's take meeting with Putin was a 10, but deal is not finalized. Okay, negotiated on NATO security and land. Says only one or two significant item remains unresolved. Stresses Europe must be involved. Okay, Ukraine Zelensky must ultimately decide. Advised Zelensky to make a deal. Hints at arranging a Zelensky-Putin meeting, possibly including himself. Announced Zelensky will visit Washington on Monday. Okay, I think there is a lot of war kind of talk going on, so this will definitely bring a lot of volatility to the market. So Trump, European leaders discuss security guarantees for what? Trump, European leaders discuss security guarantees for Ukraine outside NATO, but equivalent to Article 5. Source familiar with matter says. I don't know what that is, but the conclusion is that there is no deal closed. No deal has been closed. No agreed deal. No agreed discussion between Putin and Trump. So at the end of the day, Zelensky will definitely be added into the discussion. So at the end of the day, if this peace discussion should go on and it ends up becoming very positive, then we're definitely going to see a lot of hike or surge in the crypto ecosystem. Yep. So this is very, very nice to see. At least there's a little bit of development. There is no resistance from any one of them. So that is something worth looking into and hoping that something positive will come out of this. So yeah, that is that for that. Do not forget you can follow me on Twitter on HCore Crypto, and also I have a Telegram group chat, premium Telegram group chat for Signal. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.